Viewers, after Uttarakhand, Assam and Gujarat, the West Bengal government led by the BJP is all set to introduce the Uniform Civil Code or UCC bill in the assembly. Now this comes after Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari signalled the intent of the government to move ahead with the legislation during the monsoon session. It aims to establish a common civil framework for marriage, divorce, inheritance and adoption, replacing religion-specific personal laws with a uniform structure for all. Now, the BJP will face a challenge as well, the challenge of TMC, because although both the TMC factions oppose this bill, they are reportedly preparing distinct flow strategies to claim the party's political legacy. We are breaking updates now coming in. The West Bengal Congress MP has supported the UCC. Now, on the UCC bill, Congress MP Isha Khan Chaudhary has said, we haven't seen or read the bill yet, but from what we've heard so far, some aspects remain positive. There appears to be a clause that there is any damage to property, especially government property, those involved will have to pay the damages. This is what the Congress MP had to say.
देखिए, बिल तो हम अभी तक नहीं देखा, अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा, मगर जो चीज सुन रहा है अभी तक वो चीज तो कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है। जैसे अगर आप वहाँ एक साइड क्लॉज है, अगर कोई प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रक्शन, सरकारी प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रक्शन होने से पैसा जिन लोग एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज कर रहा है उन लोग को पैसा देना होगा डैमेज का, वही अच्छा चीज है।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi getting us these details. And Sabyasachi, this is going to be a huge shift in Bengal with the kind of politics that we've seen over the last decade and more. The BJP intending to bring the UCC. What are the details of the framework? How soon could it be brought to the assembly?
Well, Pratibha, the BJP, in fact, in the Sankalp Patra, Union Home Minister Amit Shah promised that within 6 months, the UCC will be implemented in the state of West Bengal. We have seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi also speaking about UCC, several states, whether it is Uttarakhand, Assam, Gujarat. In all these states, UCC has been implemented. Now, there were talks that the West Bengal government is going to implement UCC today itself. But what we are learning from the government sources is that there are certain hurdles which the state government want to cross, and that is the reason why there have been rounds of meeting that has taken place. In fact, what we are picking from the sources that they held a meeting with a former justice of the Supreme Court who was also part of the UCC committee in the state of Uttarakhand. Now, this meeting was conducted to understand the framework in context of the state of West Bengal, and because there are certain challenges, so Suvendu Adhikari most likely is going to announce the committee of the UCC, and this announcement is going to happen today itself, what we are learning from the sources. Meanwhile, the statement that has come in from Isha Khan Chaudhary, a member of parliament from the Congress party, Pratibha, is huge because Congress primarily have been protesting against the UCC, against the central government. So coming in from a Congress member of parliament, it is huge because he has said that he has not read all the clauses, but what he has heard about some of the clauses is very much important.
Yes.
That if you damage any public property, then people who damage like antisocial elements, they only have to pay for it, and that is the reason why the Congress member of parliament has appreciated this move.
Okay, all right, but the Congress party has opposed the UCC in multiple other states, isn't it? Sabyasachi, do stay with us. Let's also tell our viewers what this UCC will actually entail and what is the kind of changes that it will bring on the ground. Now, remember, we've seen this be implemented in Uttarakhand recently as well. So let's break it down for you. What are going to be the changes on the ground for the people? Now, what UCC enforces is standard marriageable age for women across all communities. Now, what happens currently is that a Muslim woman can marry at 15 years or as she hits puberty. Now, this is the rule currently, after which, as the UCC comes in, the rules will change completely. Apart from that, registration of marriage becomes mandatory. And again, Currently, the registration of marriage is not mandatory. So every single marriage that takes place, it's not mandatory for the registration to take place. And this will also bring in uniform laws as far as the divorces are concerned. And this is across religions. And this is going to be one of the biggest changes. That talaq and khula are provisions within the Muslim law, which are currently present in many states. But as the UCC comes in Bengal, that's going to go out of the window. And there is going to be a complete ban on polygamy, because currently there are Muslim personal laws that apply. Up to 4 marriages are allowed for men. Now, in West Bengal, all of this could change. One of the more controversial practices of Islam, including halala and iddat as well, will see a complete abolition, whereas currently it exists under the personal Muslim law. So these are going to be broadly some of the changes that will come in. In terms of inheritance as well, there will be changes, because as UCC comes in, there will be equal inheritance rights for men and women. Whereas currently, the female heir gets half of the male heir according to some of the personal laws. So UCC will bring in a kind of uniformity. And in inheritance, in marriage laws, in divorce laws, all of these changes will be brought in when the UCC comes in. But let's get you more breaking updates now coming in. More reactions continue to come in. The question is Bengal all set to implement the UCC? Because top sources have told Times Now that there will be a panel that will be formed first. As Sabyasachi was also pointing out, a committee may be formed to finalize the framework of the UCC bill in the context of West Bengal. The Chief Minister is expected to announce the formation of the committee through an official statement. Sabyasachi, as you were telling us, a panel is going to be formed. It is going to be headed by a former Supreme Court justice as well. But how long before the implementation, and what will be the responsibilities that will be entrusted on this panel, and when could the UCC actually become a reality in Bengal? How long could it take?
Well, see, Pratibha, the timeline that has been set in by the Bharatiya Janata Party, by Home Minister Amit Shah himself in the Sankalp Patra that they announced before the polls was 6 months. So the West Bengal government was set to bring in the UCC today itself in the assembly, but there are certain complications, there are certain hurdles, and the central government want to take all the precautionary steps before implementing the UCC in the state of West Bengal, and that is the reason why a preliminary discussion had taken place with former Justice of Supreme Court Ranjana Prakash Desai with the state government, and Ranjana Prakash Desai was part of the committee which implemented UCC in the state of Uttarakhand, and the committee that will be formed, it will be announced by Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari. And what we are learning from the sources, Pratibha, is that in the committee, along with people from different professions, the people from the opposition also are likely to be present and will be part of this committee. And this committee will take recommendation from the people of the state of West Bengal as well as different societies. And once it is complete, we will see the implementation of the UCC in the state of West Bengal.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, stay with us. We played out what one of the Congress leaders said about the implementation of the UCC. We have another reaction from the Congress party. Let's play that out.
ईशा चौधरी, उन्होंने भी इसका समर्थन किया है, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी का ओवरऑल क्या व्यू पॉइंट है कि बीजेपी की सरकार आते ही सबसे पहले यूसीसी का बिल वहां पर जो है वो लाया जा रहा है?
देखिए, एक चीज़ इसमें मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो बिल यूसीसी बिल है ये देश के लिए है, और इसका बहुत ज़्यादा हड़बड़ी में सरकार को नहीं रह के इसका सबसे पहले डिबेट, सबसे पहले इस पर विचार विमर्श पार्लियामेंट में होना चाहिए, राज्यसभा में होना चाहिए, उसके बाद में स्टेट के अलग अलग जो विधानसभा में उसमें होना चाहिए, उसके बाद पब्लिक के बीच में उनसे भी राय लेना चाहिए, उसके बाद ही इसके ऊपर में निर्णय लेना चाहिए। हालांकि असम में और उत्तराखंड में और अब वेस्ट बंगाल में मैं सुन रहा हूं, ठीक है, आपकी सरकार है, भारत देश में तो आपका 21-22 राज्य में सरकार है, आपका केंद्र में भी सरकार है, आप जो करना चाहेंगे कर लेंगे, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि देश हित में।
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. Interesting reaction from the Congress party, as it says that there should be discussions. Only after that should there be an implementation of the UCC.